One hot afternoon, a clever but hungry fox was wandering through the forest. His stomach growling as he searched for food. As he trotted along, the fox spotted a beautiful bunch of juicy, ripe grapes hanging from a high vine. His eyes lit up with excitement, and he could almost taste the sweet juice in his mouth. The fox took a few steps back, then dashed forward and leaped as high as he could, snapping at the grapes, but they were just out of reach. Not willing to give up, the fox stepped back, gave it another go, and jumped with all his strength. But once again, he missed the grapes by a long shot. After several more attempts, the fox grew tired and frustrated. Panting from all his efforts, he looked up at the grapes one last time. Finally, the fox scoffed and said, "Those grapes are probably sour anyway. Who needs sour grapes?" And with a huff, he turned and trotted away, pretending he didn't care. And so, the fox left, trying to convince himself that the grapes weren't worth it. But deep down he knew he wanted them.
Video like this, the first step is script writing. For this, I use ChatGPT. I simply give it a command to write a short story on the topic the fox and the grapes. I also ask it to generate prompts for images and voiceover lines. After a brief wait, the script appears, and it's amazing. ChatGPT provides an excellent script, complete with detailed image prompts and clear voiceover suggestions, making the process smooth and efficient. The second step is generating images. For this, I use an AI tool called Leonardo AI. I've even uploaded a detailed video tutorial on how to use Leonardo AI, so if you want more information, be sure to check it out. The link to the video will be provided in the description below, making it easy to access and follow along. Once I have the image prompts from ChatGPT, I copy and paste each prompt into the Leonardo AI website to generate the images. The tool works perfectly, and I'm able to generate high-quality visuals that align with the script. I then download all the images into a folder for future use in the video. In the third step, we convert the images into video. For this, I use Luma's Dream Machine. I upload an image from the folder, one that I want to turn into video, and specify the motion like the fox looking toward the grapes. After a short wait, the video is ready. I repeat this process to convert all the images into video clips. I've also created a detailed video tutorial on using Luma AI, so be sure to check it out for more information. The link is provided in the description for easy access. To create a voiceover, I'm using a tool called Clipchamp. Here's how you can generate the voiceover. Sign into Clipchamp. Click on Record and Create, and select Text-to-Speech from the options. Scroll down and choose Language of the voiceover voice type. Select a suitable voice for your content. Enter your text in the text box, the words you want to be spoken in the voiceover. Click on Save, and wait a moment for the voice to be generated. Once it's ready, export the voice file.